If you are new to card making, I'm going to show you a very easy basic card to make. This is the base of the card that you fold in half. This is, excuse me, 8.5 by 5.5. And then I have scored it in the center and folded it. I had a set of rubber stamps here. This company is Inkadingadoo. I don't know if this is still available or not. If it is, I will link it below. But this is an older set. It's called Meadow. But this is going to be perfect for this card. I have a piece of cards, printed cardstock here. I cut this down to 5 1/4 by 4 inches. And we are going to stamp this. It looks like a Queen Anne's lace on the corner of here. Now, what I'm going to do, this is a stamp positioner. This is by Stamp Perfect. And I will link this below as well. But this is perfect for making cards and getting your stamps positioned correctly. And if you have trouble getting the whole image to stamp at one time, this is a great positioner. So we are going to lay this down where we want it to stamp. So I want it to stamp somewhere in here. These are extra strong magnets. They will hold this paper down. And then I'm going to press this, and it's going to stick to this plastic. So you can see that it's stuck there perfectly. I have Juicy Art metallic pigment ink pad. This is in rose gold. I will link this also. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. They make other colors as well. And I'm going to ink this up. But I want to show you. Let's say you press it down and you don't get a very good image. Well, that one is pretty good, but I can see a little spot here that's not very good, and I see a little spot there that's really faint. So the reason why this works so well is because your paper and your stamp stay in the same position. You can re-ink it again, add some more ink, and then push it down again. And this time, if you go over it with your fingers or your thumbs and press it a little bit harder, you'll get a much better impression. But oh my gosh, that is so good. That looks really good. And you can see the metallic rose gold ink. Very, very pretty. Perfect for this project. Now, this is just a very simple project. This is like for a bare beginner. So if you have just started making stamps, this is just an idea of something to do. Of course, you can add ribbon to this. You could add a background behind this one. You can add sentiments. You can do all kinds of things. But I wanted to show you something very, very simple to do with your stamp positioner. And then I'm going to use my Scrapbook Adhesives Easy Runner. And I'm going to put scrapbook adhesive on the back of this. I have been using these for 15 to 20 years. This is my absolute favorite scrapbook adhesive, paper card, or a card making adhesive. And then we're just going to attach that to the front of our card. And just that quickly, I have a really simple note card. You can see I have made one in blue here. Then I have another one with a tan background. I like how those colors came out. You can really see the metallic on that dark color. So very, very easy. And I just want to show you how to make some easy cards. Cards don't have to be super difficult and take hours to make.